Solve quadratic equation. So we have an equation here which is minus 15 minus 3x plus 2x squared equals to 0. Now as you notice, this equation is written in a different form. Rather it's a quadratic form, but the placement of terms is at a different place. So let's reorganize and write this equation in standard form, which will be 2x squared minus 3x minus 15 equals to 0. Now let's try to factor it. If we factor it, we need two numbers whose product is 30 minus 30 and whose sum is minus 3. Now that is a difficult combination, right? So we are looking for minus 30 as the product and sum of minus 3. Well, the factors of 30 are 3 and 10, okay, and then factors of 10 are 2 and 5. So with these combinations, we actually don't get any condition which can satisfy this, and therefore we should actually use quadratic formula, right? So we have to use quadratic formula in this case. Now let us see how to apply quadratic formula. Now if we have an equation which is ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, in that case you can find the value of x using quadratic formula, which is x equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2 times a, right? So that is how you can use quadratic formula and get the answer. Now if you compare your equation with ax squared plus bx plus c, what do you get? You get a as equals to 2, b as equals to minus 3, and c is equals to minus 15. So let's substitute these values and find what is x. So x is equals to minus of b, that means minus of minus 3, plus of minus square root of b square, which is minus 3 square, minus 4 times a is 2, c is minus 15 square root, divided by 2 times a, which is 2. So let's simplify it. Minus of minus 3 becomes 3, plus minus, square root of 3 square is 9, minus and minus is plus. Now 2 times 15 is 30, 30 times 4 is 120, right? 120 square root divided by 2 times 2, which is 4. Now to solve this, we can take it to the right side, or we can just do it here. So this is equals to 3 plus minus square root of 129 divided by 4. Now we can use the calculator and figure it out. Square root of 129. We get square root of 129 equals to 11.357, right? So we can get an approximate answer also. So there are at this stage two ways of doing it. One, we can go for a decimal values, round the answer to a decimal value, or we can also write like this, that will be an exact answer, right? So but at present what we will do is we will write two solutions to this in decimal and round it to one decimal place, okay? So we get here 3 plus square root of 129 is 11.357. So let me write 11.36 divided by 4, or 3 minus 11.36 divided by 4, right? So let's do the calculation. 11.36 plus 3 divided by 4 gives us 3.59. So we'll approximate this to 3.6, right? Now in this case it is 3 minus 11.36 divided by 4 equals to minus 2.09. Minus 2.09. Let it be 2.09. That's rounded to 0.9. So I'll use minus 2.09. Okay. So let that be the solution for the given equation. Now we can write down the answer as approximately x is equals to 3.6 or minus 2.09. Okay. So that's the solution for the given equation. Thank you.